Okay, in today's class, we'll discuss the next part of Unit 4, second part, that is strings. Strings in Java program. So while discussing applets itself, we heard that string word. So what is the purpose of strings in applets? Say I told one point there regarding strings in applets concept. What is that? Anybody? Well, applets లో strings ఎక్కడ చేస్తారు? Yeah. So I told that there are two types of applets. What are those? Yeah, come on. So what are the types of applets?
Local applet.
No. So we can create applets in basically two ways. So that is, so here I told I explained types of applets. See, so we can create applet by using applet class. This is the first step, and all the programs whatever we discussed in previous concept, those are our applet class only. Next one is string class. Applets can also be created by using string class. So that's what the importance of string with respect to applet is we can also create applets by using strings. Okay, before going to see that one, first to know the importance of string. What is the string and what is the purpose of this string in the Java program? First, you should know. You have to know what is the use of that, why they have been introduced. Then remaining concept you can understand easily. So the main purpose of strings is for the first point itself. String is a set of class which provides powerful and flexible GUI. What is meant by GUI? GUI. Anybody? What is GUI? Chupal, what is GUI? So actually now you are having OS.
Graphical user interface.
Yeah, absolutely correct. It's graphical user interface. So that means what are the interface that which would be in graphical form, the buttons, all those things. For example, in your cell phone, your screen is there and you are seeing icons, all those things. So that is the best example for GUI. So that Android is the GUI type of OS. So that Android will provide graphical user interface type of OS. So you'll be having all the graphics things, means images, all these things. So through that interface will be that interface will come. Through that interface we can interact with our cell phone. Okay, in the similar manner, Strings provides the uh, powerful and flexible GUI components. What is the use of these components? Is these GUI components will be used in web services. And those things will be used for interaction purpose among the clients and servers, among different distributed in the distributed environment, because there the missions will be present somewhere, anywhere in the world. Those users or those clients can communicate each other. So if at all the interface is flexible, means interface is like a GUI, then it is easy to interact, because that GUI, those graphics will specify, will provide say one easy way of interaction, easy way of interface, so that in that interface it is easy to communicate. So Swing's main objective is it provides the GUI. But actually, before going to Swing, we must study about AWTs as well as event handling. Then only afterwards, then it is easy to know about the Swings. But in our syllabus, we are not having AWTs and as well as event handling concept in Java. Just we have seen the applets, and in applets how that AWT will be used. What is meant by AWT? AWT, what is it? And what is the meaning of that, and what is the use of that? Yeah, anybody? AWT means. So these things you have to know. because these are all basics. So in any exam or any interview, these are the basic things. If you are able to answer, then they will know. They'll think that like that you know something. If you fail to answer these minimum basic questions, then they won't get good impression. Basics are very important. AWT means what? Okay, try to note. AWT means abstract window toolkit. So abstract to window toolkit, it's a package of Java. So it provides the all the tools which will be useful to create one separate window. Example is applet viewer. Applet viewer is a special class of say AWT. That applet viewer provides one window type of interface there where a client or any user can see the outputs in the window in form of graphics also, as in graphics class also. So abstract window toolkit is also one package or one thing which is useful to have GUI type of interface. Abstract window toolkit దానికోసమే అన్నమాట. But you should know the difference between AWT and Sphinx. Actually, AWT is the older concept. So these things will be used in older Java concept. So while doing so, actually some applications or some concepts, these may have some problem. These may AWT will be having some problems. To address those problems and to address those issues, Sphinx had been introduced in Java in 1997. Yes, Sphinx are present in new versions of Java. Okay, now instead of using AWT, it is better to use the Sphinx actually, because all the developer will can prefer Sphinx because of uh, their extra features than the AWT. So before going to know about Sphinx, first if it is better to know what are the problems with the AWT, why those problems are arising in the AWT. So first, AWT means abstract window toolkit, and it is also used to have one GUI, graphical user interface type of components only. But the main drawback, the problem is third one. Just to go through the third point there, the AWT components use native core resources. This is very important one with respect to AWT. This makes that AWT with constraint. I mean, with constraints because of this native core resources. Because if the AWT is going to use the native core resources like processors, memory, and the configuration of the system, the performance of AWT, the execution of AWT will depends on that computer, because it is depending on the native core resources. For all the computer is good and computer is having well equipped configured devices, then that AWT will provide better solution and better output and better interface. If all the computer or the machine will with low configuration, then AWT will not work properly, not give that much better way, because AWT is depends on native core resources. That this point is very important. So the performance of AWT will differ based on the OS of that mission and platform of that mission, because AWT components depends on the native core resource. So this makes that AWT is a weaker one in comparison to Sphinx. Now Sphinx are not like this. Sphinx won't depends on native core resources. Sphinx or whatever the mission, whatever the computer, whatever the configuration, Sphinx will be uh, executed well in all the missions, because Sphinx are designed by using Java code. So Sphinx are managed. These Sphinx components have been designed with Java. So it depends on purely on Java only, and that too, those won't depends on native code resources. Means those RAM, processor configuration, all these things, whatever the OS version, anything. But Sphinx will work same in all the missions commonly without any problem. Okay. Any more doubts as of now? I hope you understood the Sphinx. So why Sphinx are there in Java means Sphinx or invented to overcome the problems with AWT concept, AWT components. First of all, AWT is for to provide one type of interface in the web services or while interacting between one mission with other mission. So AWT abstract window toolkit that will provide one tools which will give you a better interface. So that is the thing. But that AWT will be having some more problems. So to overcome that one, swings are there. Okay, swings are also meant for same purpose.
Sir.
Yeah. Tell me, Rakshita.
This swings can replace AWT or it is generated from AWT.
See, last point is that one. We no need to replace AWT. Actually, Sphinx use the AWT foundation. Like, for example, Java came from C language. C is the mother of. So it's not mean that this Java will eliminate the C or Java overcomes the. I mean, Java dominates the C. It's not the concept like. C is also important as well as Java is also important. Based on the application, we have to choose the respective language like. But Java is provides more features than C. Like that. In similar manner here also, Swings have been designed based on the AWT on, based on the foundation of AWT. AWT is the mother main. From there, Swings have been invented by adding some extra features because Swings are AWTs are having some problems because those will depends on purely on the mission. Computer final depend what are the AWTs. Computer native code resources are all computer resources based on so that AWT will be having some limitations. To overcome that, to address those, swings had been introduced in Java, and that swings are okay. Swings are developed by using the only purely Java with the Java code only. So that problem is not there in Swings. Whatever because Java is platform independent. That's the main thing. So same here also. So whatever the platform, Swings will be executed without any problem. So that's why it not means that now if you observe updates are having some problems. So to eliminate that, to address that, we got Java Web Start. So Java Web Start replaces the updates because updates are outdated, fade out. But AWT is not like that. AWT is also important. Swings are also important. Still, if you observe in previous programs, we use AWT. In coming programs also, in further programs also, we use AWT package also, Swings packages, all these things. And AWT also Swings kuda kavali. But if you want to have a better GUI type of components for web services, then it is better to choose Swings apart from AWT. So that is the difference between Swings and AWT. Now just to see the difference between AWT and Swings, first should know that limitations. What are the problems with AWT? First one is components are very fewer components out there. Next, on the features are very limited with respect to components. Component is nothing but it's a one. For example, a website is there. If you observe, some boxes will be there, or if you want to fill any application, either application you might have observed check boxes, radio buttons like that. So those one box or one thing is known as component. So that is known as component in the programming manner. So such type of component features are less in AWT and extensible. We cannot extend further. Only local components will be used. Whatever the built-in components are there, only those can be utilized in AWT. But Swings are not like that. You can have add-ons in plugins also. Based on the application, based on the versions, we can have plugins. So now see the difference between AWT and Swings. AWT is develop the GUI applications in Java. So its main importance is to develop the GUI, graphical user interface. Swings are also for that one. But it will provide some extra features. This GUI will be having more features. Next, second point is heavy weighted. AWT or components are heavy weighted, means with more complex and more programming, more lines like that. These are the lightweighted. Lightweighted means with the less complexity. Next, less functionality. AWT's components are less functional. Swings components are more functional. Execution time of AWT is more. Swings are less. The components are AWT is platform dependent. That's what I told. So this native code resource, the AWTs will be based on the native code resource. It depends on platform. AWT will work, but swings are not like that. Depends on independent of the platform. What are the platform? It will. Next, MVC pattern is not support, but swings supports MVC. MVC means model view control. It will we'll see in the next topic. But one topic is there about MVC. We'll see. Next, AWT less powerful. Components are less powerful. They are more powerful. So these are the limitations and differences between the AWT and swings. Any doubts? No. Any doubts regarding AWT and swing? The feature of one AWT is that applet viewer, because that applet viewer is also one AWT sub package, subclass. So that applet viewer is able to show outputs in a separate window, in a graphical user manner. In that one, you can see boxes, banners, everything. It is capable to show all those things because it's belongs to AWT package, AWT thing. AWT is meant for that thing only, to provide graphical user a powerful and flex. To provide the graphical user interface. Because of its limitations, swings are there. Swings overcomes those limitations, and swings provides a powerful and flexible way of graphical user interface. Any doubts in this till now? So actually, you should understand the concept. You have to know what is the importance of that one in the program, for which purpose those will be used. So then, if you know that thing, then while you studying the concept of those, then it is easy for you to understand. So that's why first to know the importance of that thing in the Java program. Java, what is the feature of that? What is the use of that one? Like that, you should understand. Okay. I hope you understood it. Any doubts? What is a swing? Tell me, anybody. Voice. What is a swing? Okay, girls. The swing is it? The chapale. What is a swing? In that discussion. So just now I told you now I discussed what is a swing. Okay. Yeah, tell me Sajan.
Swing may contain the classes which overcomes the problems caused by the AWT, sir.
Yeah, very good. Swing is a collection of classes which overcomes the problems of AWT. Okay, that's fine. But Swing provides a powerful and flexible GUI, graphical user interface components. Swing, that is the thing you should have. You should know. See, Swing is a collection of class. That's what I show previous slide. See, first point, Swing is a set of classes that provides more powerful and flexible GUI component. So that's what. So another thing is it has been invented to overcome the problems of AWT, because AWT is platform dependent. Now we see the why swings are that much powerful. These two features provides enhance the more features in swings. What are those two features? Are first one is swing components are lightweight. So it's very important one, very important feature. And second one is Swing supports pluggable look and feel. So I'll explain what is meant pluggable look and feel. First, let me discuss about Swing components or lightweight. First one is lightweight. So, I mean, concept itself tells like that swings are lightweight. Lightweight means with less complexity, less might be less code. They may consume less any exceptions, all these things. So first one tell the one. Why the swings are lightweight means they will be having very few exceptions. What is mean by exception? What is an exception?
Problem.
Yeah, problem. Which type of problem?
During execution.
Yeah, while execution, we may face some problem, that is runtime problem. That too solvable problems. We can solve those problems. If at all the problem is unsolvable and problem we cannot handle, so we cannot treat that one as a exception. Exception must be handled. So those would be solved. Those things only we must consider as exceptions. Okay. Now tell me from based on your knowledge, if at all a program is having more number of exceptions and more number of exception handling thing, is that program is good one or better one, or it is good or not? It is a good way of programming or not? If a program is going to generate a more number of exceptions, is it better or not? ఒక ప్రోగ్రామ్ లో ఎక్కువ ఎక్సెప్షన్స్ వచ్చే ఛాన్సెస్ ఉన్నాయంటే ఆ ప్రోగ్రామ్ మంచిదే అండ్ గుడ్ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ కాదు.
Not a good program.
Yeah, obviously, because exceptions are means problems. Why we have to face problems? So being a programmer, being a developer, we must be think we have to write a program in such a way like that, though there won't be any problem. Exceptional case or in unavoidable, inevitable situations, okay, we have to accept those. So those kind, because those are not avoid, we cannot avoid those. So at that time, okay, exceptions we can expect some exception, but it's not mean like that everything. I mean, while writing the code, at each case and every each situation, we should not expect exceptions like that. We have to plan, we have to write the program. Okay. Okay, anyhow, that's different concept. Swings. Here, swings are lightweight because those may be having less exceptions. And that too, they are written entirely in Java. Purely in Java. And those are not platform specific ones because those are independent. Next, lightweight components are second point, rendered using graphics primitive. Rendered means covered. So these components are covered with graphic primitives. Hence, it is more efficient and flexible. Built-in. Those are built-in graphics components. Okay. So it is so that it is flexible to use them and without any problem. Next, lightweight components, no need to transfer into native mission because those are platform independent. Okay. So that I mean, Sphinx will ensures a common way of execution in across all the platform. So common way of consistent manner across all the platform provides such type of. If we use the AWT mechanism, then we can't assure that because based some clients may be having good computer, some with high configuration. Some clients may have less configuration system. If the AWT is there, or the AWT mechanism is there, then the outputs, I mean the performance, the AWT performance will not be similar, will not be same because it is platform dependent. It depends on the native code resources, uses those. So obviously, we can't expect the consistent manner of execution across all the platform. That is the problem with AWT. Yeah, but Sphinx ensures that because these are lightweight. So because of the lightweight components, Sphinx will be having some extra features. all these features. Okay, another important feature of Swing is pluggable look and feel. Okay, yeah, Naveen, any doubt? Naveen?
Sir,
Tell me, Naveen.
so lightweight engine, so swings components are lightweight explain about that. Sir.
Yeah, that's what lightweight means. Without much complex. The designing of those components are easy. Lightweight means పేర్లోనే ఉంది కదా లైట్ వెయిట్ తక్కువగా ఉంటుంది వెయిట్ అండ్ మీన్స్ మైట్ బి నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ కోడ్స్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్సెప్షన్స్ ఆర్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ మెథడ్స్ ఆల్ దోస్ థింగ్స్ when compared with the AWT components, Sphinx components are lightweight. Lightweight means without much complexity or without those may take less time to execute or those may take less memory also. All these many factors influence to make them lightweight. Okay, just know Sphinx components are simple. If you want to say in better for a better understanding, just think like that. Sphinx components are simple, not complex. But AWT are complex because those will work based on the mission computer's configuration, so that those must be converted into computers peers. We'll call those things as a native peers. So native peers, that's our third point. The AWT components must be transferred into native peers, but these components no need. Swing components no need to transfer into peers because those are not independent. Those are not dependent on mission, I mean the platform. Next one is Swings supports pluggable look and feel means so pluggable look and feel means how those components will look and how can we use those. So that thing pluggable means we can update those pluggable is just add-ons or directly we can use those. For example, a new component came means new feature of Swing came means we can add that Swing, we can upload, we can install that new feature in our Swings very effective because Swings are Swing those can enhance the new features, but AWTs are not like that. AWTs are just to build local components and built in only those components only. We cannot enhance more. Extensibility is not there in AWT, but Sphinx it is possible because this is the pluggable concept. Pluggable means you can add, you can plug in new softwares, new components based on the application. Look and feel means that way of how that components will look, that interface, and using that interface is also very good. We'll feel like that it will be a good one. So it supports that type of interface. It supports that type of graphical user interface. That's what last one. If you observe this plugin concept gives that feature like that. You can add new features without changing the without affecting the code, without affecting already present, already within Sphinx, within within code. Already we might have got some code in our web service or using Sphinx. If we want to add a new feature of that Swing component, we can add. So that is the pluggable. That is a feature of important key feature of this Swing concept. Now these are the two important features of Swing component. That is Swing components are lightweight and Swing supports pluggable look and feel. Because of these two key features, Sphinx will give the solutions for whatever the problems which will come through AWTs. AWT problems are solved because of these new features, two features. Okay, next concept is MPC connections.
Yes, sir.
So yeah, tell me, Rachita,
That pluggable look, I can't get it, sir.
plug means what? For example, in your home, TV will what you will see. If you want to on the TV, what you will do? Then just plug
Switch on.
plug పెడతారు కదా before
Yes, sir.
switch on you will plug means what just directly you are using the TV. You are not manufacturing it or you are not adding the resources ఏం చేయలేదు just that plug will be kept in the socket and you will on. Thus TV will be you will feel the TV. I mean you can see the TV without worrying without anything like that. Here also if any component any feature is there directly you can use that feature and you can use in your swing concept because the swings are the Java programs because here I mean for every year there will be a new version కొత్త వర్షన్స్ వస్తూ ఉండొచ్చు స్వింగ్స్ లో కొత్త ఫీచర్స్ యాడ్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు ఆ ఫీచర్స్ అన్ని directly you can take those features and you can add in your swing in your you can add those things in your program without worrying direct గా ప్లగ్ చేసి మీరు వాడుకోవచ్చు those features pluggable look and feel. Look and feel means this those interface will look very effectively as well as you can feel the outputs also without any problem in the outputs. Plug and play means just to keep the plug and you can use